All right, y'all, welcome to Supered and welcome to your Supered Operator Certification course. So before we jump into it, let's talk a little bit about what Supered is. So Supered is a Chrome overlay, so you can tell it where you want it to be active. So anywhere that you want to see your cards, your triggers, or sidekick, you can tell it where you want it to be. So at Supered, you can see we have a lot of URLs that we have Supered active on, meaning I can pop over into LinkedIn and Supered's there, or I can pop into HubSpot and Supered's there. So what this means is you can have your Supered active anywhere that you want it to be. But also for my Supered partners, you may notice that as you navigate between your HubSpot accounts, between your clients' HubSpot accounts, that you may see the triggers and the cards and Sidekick active on those accounts as well. This is because you have Supered active on your HubSpot account. This does not mean that those users of those accounts can see the Supered content yet. You will control that by inviting them into their own Supered instances, which we will cover later in this course. All right, y'all, I'm very excited. Let's get Supered Operator certified.